Hi, we're Joanne and Jamie, and for our anniversary, we'll send you up this groundbreaking nature walk project in Rhodope Mountains, Bulgaria. For the first time this year, ARK Nature, in collaboration with Rewilding Rhodopes, wants to realize these formal acceptance of Konik living in the wild, treated as real wild animals. And these videos will show you in the process and show you what we have been up to. We just flew the drone over the waterfall from above.
It's so cool. It's such a different view than when you watch it like this.
Yeah,
It's way
really
cooler
cool.
actually.
Yeah. So now on to the second battery, and we're sure this is gonna be awesome footage for the documentary. Joanne is putting down the zoom, so we can also record some audio from the waterfall. As you can see, we found another waterfall.
Yay!
Look, it's beautiful.
Wat denk ik heel makkelijk is in zo'n documentaire is dat je echt een thema hebt. Hè?
Mhm.
Dus je hebt één centrale melodie en die komt op verschillende plekken terug en verschillende variaties. Dus daar wilde ik ook mee beginnen in principe, met een soort van thema.
Tof.
We just received the first samples of the music from Yuri on Boats, and now we're gonna listen to them and pick the best one.
We just visited Ivo and Sveti in Gornopoli, and they showed us this amazing view, and we're going to come back when it's less cloudy with our drone, because this is amazing, and this is exactly the scene we wanted for our first scene of the movie.
Yeah. And they showed us also other places around Majarovo that we can fly the drone.
So we have all spots on the map that we need to visit now.
Yeah.
This is an amazing cliff, but since these vultures are flying around here, we can't fly through it with the drone. So we came up with an idea to just walk through it. Since the drone has a gimbal, it gives a steady shot. We are a bit crazy tourists because we stop on the road to film a turtle. Sound of music.
We found two new ways to film today. One wanted to go to the horses today to fly the drone there, but behind us the bridge where we need to go through is closed because of construction.
We need to turn around. And there's no other way to cross the river. So annoying.
As we said, the bridge is closed, so we're flying the drone somewhere else and we're filming rocks.
That's why volunteers from Bulgaria, but also foreigners, are guarding some of the most prone to disturbance nests. Yeah.
One more thing. Oh. Can I ask one more thing?
Yeah.
Can you tell in 1 or 2 sentences what is the link between vultures and the wild horses? In 1 or 2 sentences, like really short.
Okay, let me think. In 2 sentences.
Yeah, or 1, preferably. We are preparing the interviews that we're going to do at the Kartali camp with Christo and Stefan.
The car is packed because we're going camping. We're going to Kartali camp, which is a camp for eco students, and there will also be a lot of experts to interview, which will be really nice, and we're really excited to go.
We arrived at the camp and now we're going to
Put up the tent.
but we already figured out.
I won't probably fit into it.
It's raining and luckily we got our baggage in the car on time because our tent is not waterproof. Next day at Kartali and we're now exploring the surroundings. We're on top of the world!
Yay! We stopped at the Tool, which is a Thracian sanctuary temple place, and it's amazing.
We just set up the interview setting for Stefan, but the light is too harsh, so we're pushing it to tomorrow morning.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning we'll do an interview with Stefan and with Christo, and Christo's interview will be in Bulgarian, so that's an exciting challenge. And hopefully we will find a good translation and then we can put it all together and make our first storyline. Yay!
Okay, we just interviewed Stefan and it was really good.
Yeah.
We got some really good quotes, but during the interview these horses came to disturb us and it was really funny.
It's not the right species of horses, otherwise we could film them here also.
In Photoshop, you
maybe.
can color them in grey.
We should do that.
It's very easy, just click.
I have to watch here. Oh, you.
Yeah, just me. They're not there.
Nice target.
So, interview with Christo done.
Yeah.
How did you feel interviewing in Bulgarian?
It was really weird because every time I just read a question and I don't know if he answered. I couldn't like reply on the answer he gave us, but it's okay.
Just go back to the roots. because they were exterminated by the people.